I'm gonna wear socks. I cannot move my head. I'm lost. Can't wait to get tipsy. So, I'm making a wrap for Vivi, and never mind, I'm making a sandwich for the both of us. I'm just using ham and cheese and eggs. Okay, I think that's it for my cooking. I'm gonna continue at like the train station or something. Yes, or the bus. We're not at the train station yet, but I just want to do a quick I'm gonna wear socks. I honestly don't know what color socks to use. Also, I'm not wearing makeup today because I don't have the time nor energy to do makeup. I'm gonna do makeup tomorrow, so I'm gonna look better tomorrow. Anyway, I don't know whether to use this color or this. I think these are better. Yeah, I'm gonna use this. It's so cold. Oh, we took the right train. Yeah. I hope we're taking the right bus. I'm pretty sure we are. It's so cold. We're going to the Christmas market that we saw just now.
You know what? I want a little Christmas tree. Man.
Okay, so I didn't actually film anything at the Christmas market because, well, for a few reasons. First, it was raining. Second, it was very crowded. And the most major reason is because me and Vivi were too hungry. So we just forgot about filming and we just got hot dogs and we also got some hot chocolate, which was both really nice. We didn't vlog all day, so right now we're buying water. We're vlogging buying water because we're thirsty. So cold, I cannot move my head. Oh, Jana. We're done buying water like an hour, almost 2 hours ago. Now we're going to the Sophie's rooftop in the Dean to eat.
We can actually get drunk.
No.
Oh, we are gonna go to pubs.
We are gonna bar hop, so we made it finally.
You're not lost.
No, we didn't. Finally.
Yes, we did.
No, we didn't. We're done eating. I forgot to film again because we were again too busy eating, but we did take some pictures that you guys can check out at our Instagrams. We got pizza for...
So full.
Yeah, we're so full.
Can't wait to get tipsy.
Hi guys. Okay, so I changed clothes. She didn't because she was ready to go.
I'm ready to go.
She was ready.
Wasted, bro.
Remember this family friendly. Showed her the world, but fell out of love, and you both let go. Knee deep in the passenger seat, and you're eating me out. Is it casual now? Oh, we are like Christmas. Meraicho. We're going home. Bye bye hotel. She's Indonesian flag. I don't know. We're on the train already. On the way to Dublin. Hi everyone. Oh my god, we didn't film like after that last clip you saw because we had plans like after we had plans when we got back to Dundalk, but we did get back home safely, and I think that was it for our little Galway trip. and our little vlog. This is such an amateur vlog, I know, but it's fine. It's for memories. Yeah. If you guys are still watching until here, wow. Thank you. I hope to upload better content next time if I remember to film. Okay, anyway. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.